Alright guys, I found a weird glitch in CapCut that lets you use almost every pro feature and export your video without paying a single dime. But there's a catch, something work perfectly where other things still be Loctite. Today I'm going to show you exactly what this original loophole is and why it exists. Normally guys, if you use like high filters like this on diamond buttons, if I use this here, this is like, for example, you can see that I'm using filter already that is being done for pro, this one as well. As you guys can see that I'm using this, and you can see I am not subscribed to pro. And now if I try to export this, and there you go, you need to join pro and you cannot render this at all. However, I noticed that if you change your connection to a specific region like Russia, the app's monetization behavior completely changed and you are able to export your video, but you will need to restart this project right now. I'm just going to save this project and then restart this. All right, I'm just going to relaunch CapCut and open the same project. Opening up the same project, here is this project right now, and we have the same effect that we have added. You can see that. There we go. Now you can see there is no pro button exists right now because it has vanished. All right, now you guys can render your project with premium feature. There you go. There is no paywall behind this, and even if you export this, there you go, no issue at all. You can export this completely fine. Why does this happen? It's likely due to regional payment restriction in some countries. CapCut cannot process international subscription right now. The default to more open version right now, you know. By using VPN to set your location there, you are just basically entering a free zone where paywall doesn't exist or it doesn't trigger at all when you guys try to export, all right? Now here's a catch that although this is like 100% free, I test this while using visual effect, quality render work, all right? But here is a reality check. It's not 100% free. Tested this on my voiceover video and I am not able to transcribe editing this because those features are server-sided. They require CapCut's AI servers to process your audio, and those servers check your actual account, not just your IP address. If your account isn't pro, the cloud features say, hey, this is locked, you know. Even if I try to generate this with caption, you can see that it is not generating because some features are still locked there. And especially if you are transcribe based editing these videos, this is completely useless because you guys cannot do that at all. If you guys wanted to use those cool pro transition and color grades, this trick might work, all right? But if you guys still need those AI stuff, you will need to subscribe to CapCut Pro. That's how it works, all right? I don't know, but there's no way that you guys can do like transcribe editing without subscribing. But yeah, you can still use those CapCut's web version. They're still free going on those transcribe. Yeah, guys, this is just for educational purpose to show you how global app manage different markets, and you should use this on your own risk. And remember that if CapCut update this will be patched as soon as possible. And drop a comment and let me know if this will work for you or not. And if you found any other feature that are still locked, so drop a comment and let me know if this video worked for you. And if you found any other features been locked, let me know in comment. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Bye. See you guys in the next one. Peace.